Hi, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing in Longwood, Florida, getting started on a new roof. On this roof, we've got it completely removed of the shingles, and we still have the old underlayment down. That's going to get pulled up. We're going to re-nail the decking and put the new underlayment and the drip edge on, so it's all prepared for the inspector to do the in-progress inspection. So here in Florida, one of the realities is it's probably going to rain today. So we're going to get this completely dried in and ready. And of course, we always have some tarps on hand, and we will be prepared. This house is getting an IKO Cambridge dual gray shingle. It looks great on roofs. It's not too dark, it's not too light. This is not an easy shingle to get right now, but because of our relationships with our distributor, with the manufacturer's rep specifically helped me get this shingle because the homeowner was in love with it. This is Matt with XLR8 Roofing, signing off for now. We'll come back and check it out once we make a little bit more progress.